तापर नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी होज फैमिली. द नेक्स्ट कैटेगरी फैमिली हैज ए ग्रुप ऑफ रिलेटेड जेनरा which is still less number of similarities as compared to other genus and species. Families are characterized on the basis of both vegetative and reproductive features of plant species. Among plants, for example, 3 different genera Sonarum, Petunia, Datura are placed in the family Solanaceae. Another animal, for example, genus Panthera, comprising lion, tiger, leopard, is put along with the genus Felis in the family Felidae. Similarly, if you observe the features of a cat and a dog, you will find some similarities and some differences as well. They were separated into different families, Felidae and Canidae respectively. families रैंक रे कौन जीनस का तुलना रे कम सिमिलर कैरेक्टर्स देखा जाता है. तापर देखिए ऑर्डर यू हैव टू सीन अर्लियर दैट category like species, genus and families are based on a number of similar characters. Generally, order and other higher taxonomic categories are identified based on the aggregate characters. Order being a higher category is the assemblage of families which exhibit a few similar characters. The similar characters are less in number as compared to different characters genera included in the family. The plant families like Convolucea, Solanaceae are included in the order. Polynomials have mainly based on the plural characters. The animal order Carnivora includes family like Felidae and Canidae. The order rank रे फैमिली ठारू कम सिमिलर कैरेक्टर्स देखा जाउछि. ऑर्डर्स बीइंग ए हायर कैटेगरी एथरे कौन असेंबलेज ऑफ फैमिली को केते फैमिली असेंबल करिकी ऑर्डर सृष्टि करा जायछि. द सिमिलर कैरेक्टर्स आर लेस इन नंबर. कन्वोल्यूसी सोलानासी फैमिली गोटे ऑर्डर पॉलीमोनियल्स रे रहउछन आ तांकर सिमिलर फ्लोरल कैरेक्टर्स पई animal order Carnivora include family like Felidae and Canidae. Cats और dogs family को गोटी Carnivora order रे रखा जायछि. तापर देखिए class the category include related order. For example, order Primata comprising monkey, gorilla, gibbon is placed in class Mammalia along with order Carnivora that include animals like tigers, cat and dog. Class Mammalia has other order also. The प्राइमेटा ऑर्डर रे अछि. तापर देखिए किंगडम के all animals belonging to various phyla are assigned to the highest category called kingdom Animalia. In the classification system of animals, the kingdom Plantae on the other hand is distinct and comprises all animals. Henceforth it refers to these two plant kingdom. Taxonomic categories from species to kingdom have been shown in ascending order starting with species in figure 1.1. These are broad categories. However, taxonomists have also developed subcategories in this hierarchy to facilitate more sound and scientific placement of various taxa. The kingdom होची सबुठु हाईएस्ट रैंक होची किंगडम से सबुठु कम सिमिलर कैरेक्टर्स देखा जाता है एनिमल्स के भीतर स्पीसीज के भीतर. द किंगडम प्लांटी on the other hand distinct character comprises all plants माने को प्लांट किंगडम और एनिमल्स कैटेगरी को कौन एनिमल किंगडम में प्लेस करा जायछि. These are also fundamental studies and essential for training in systematics. The taxonomic aids of various species of plants and animals and other organisms are useful in agriculture, forestry, industry and generally in knowing our bioresources and diversity. These studies would require correct classification and identification of organisms. Identification of organisms requires intensive laboratory and field studies. The collection of actual specimens of plants and animal species is essential and is the prime source of taxonomic studies. These are also fundamental studies to study the essential training in systematics. It is used for classification of organisms and information gathered is also stored along with the specimen. In some cases, specimen is preserved for further future studies. Biologists have established certain procedure and techniques to store and preserve information as well as specimens. Some of these are explained to help you understand the uses of these aids. These are herbarium, Herbarium is a storehouse of collected plant specimens that are dried, pressed and preserved on seeds. Further, these seeds are arranged. टैक्सोनॉमिक एड्स आमको बहुत प्रकार हेल्प करते बहुत गुड़े बटानिकल प्लांट स्पेसीज बहुत गुड़े नुआ स्पेसीज को आइडेंटिफाई करने बहुत गुड़े स्पेसीज का नोमेनक्लेचर भितर होता है आउ नुआ नुआ स्पेसीज का नोमेनक्लेचर विषय केतबेले डिस्कवर कराई से सब विषय आम टैक्सोनॉमिक एड्स विषय जापर विभिन्न विभिन्न टाइप टैक्सोनॉमिक एड अच्छे जो कि प्लांट स्पेसिमेन मान प्रिजर्व कर गोटे हूँ हर्बारियम हर्बारियम इज ए स्टोर हाउस ऑफ कलेक्टेड प्लांट स्पीसीज एंड these are dried, pressed and preserved on the seeds. Further, these seeds are arranged according to a universally accepted system of classification. These specimens, along with their description on the herbarium seeds, become a storehouse of a repository for future use. The herbarium seeds also carry a label providing information about date, place of collection, English local and botanical names, family, collector's name. Herbaria also serve as a quick referral system in taxonomic studies. Botanical garden. These specialized gardens have collection of different living plants for reference. Plant species in these gardens are now for identification purposes, and each plant is labeled indicating its botanical scientific name and its family. The famous botanical gardens are at Kew, England, and Howrah National Botanical Research Institute, Lucknow. Botanical gardens contain a collection of living plants for reference. Plant species of these gardens are grown in for identification purposes of each plant labeled indicating its botanical scientific name. तो बहुत जगह आम इंडिया बहुत जगह बॉटनिकल गार्डन्स देखिपर म्यूजियम म्यूजियम तापर देखिए म्यूजियम बायोलॉजिकल म्यूजियम्स आर जनरली सेटअप इन एजुकेशनल इंस्टीट्यूट सच एज स्कूल्स एंड कॉलेजेस. म्यूजियम्स हैव कलेक्शन ऑफ प्रिजर्व्ड प्लांट मैंने जो प्लांट गुड़ाक कौन ना प्रिजर्व कर डेड हो जाइए आइदर लिविंग स्पेसिफिक केमिकल्स देकी स्टोर कर म्यूजियम. म्यूजियम्स हैव कलेक्शन ऑफ प्रिजर्व्ड प्लांट एंड एनिमल स्पेसिमेन फॉर स्टडी एंड रिफरेंस. स्पेसिमेन्स आर preserved in the containers or jars in preservative solution. से माने कौन से माने डेड स्पेसीज किंतु ताको प्रिजर्व कर जाइछि. Plants and animal specimen may also preserved as dry specimen. Insect are preserved in insect boxes after killing and pinning. Larger animals like birds and animal mammals are usually stopped and preserved. Museums often have a collection of skeleton animals also. स्पेसिमेन हूँ कि जो स्पेसीज गुड़ाक प्रिजर्व कर रखाई से लिविंग नुहति कि प्रिजर्व कर रखाई देखापी फर्दर स्टोर कर रखापी से प्रिजर्व कर रखाई. तापर देखिए आउ गोटे टैक्सोनॉमिक एड होची जूलॉजिकल पार्क. दीज आर द प्लेसेस वेयर वाइल्ड एनिमल्स आर केप्ट इन प्रोटेक्टेड एनवायरनमेंट अंडर ह्यूमन केयर which enable us to learn about their food habits and behavior. All animals in a zoo are provided as far as possible the conditions similar to their natural habitats. Children love visiting these parks commonly called zoos. zoos रे आम सब प्रकार एनिमल्स देख पारे डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ एनिमल जोड़ा कि आम सब जगह देखा पाऊना केवल जू रे ही देखिपारे। वाइल्ड एनिमल्स, डिफरेंट टाइप्स ऑफ बर्ड्स, कौन तांकर फूड हैबिटेट भी देखिपार, फूड हैबिट्स, बिहेवियर, जूलॉजिकल पार्क। Key is another taxonomical aid used for identification of plants and animals based on similarities and dissimilarities. The key are based on the contrasting characters, generally in a pair called couplet. It represents the choice made between two opposite options. These results in acceptance of only one and rejection of the other. Each statement in key is called as a lead. Separate taxonomic keys are required for taxonomic categories such as family, genus, species. For identification purpose, keys are generally analytical in nature. The keys को keys द्वारा आम genus और family ये दुटा अलग अलग रैंक को आम कौन सेपरेट कर कंट्रास्टिंग कैरेक्टर बेसिस से कीज आ गोटे पेयर ऑफ कीज को आम कहीपर कपलेट। यस कीज स्टेटमेंट इच स्टेटमेंट को कहवा आम लीड। कीज हूँ एनालिटिकल इन नेचर। Flora manuals, monographs, catalogs, and some other means of recording descriptions. These are also help in or correct classification. Flora contain the actual account of habit and distribution of plants of a given area. These provide the index to the plant species found in a particular area. Manuals are useful in providing information for identification of names and of species found in an area. Monographs contain information of any one taxon. तो ये सब आम गोटे टैक्सोनॉमिक एड्स भाव में नहीं पार। सरला फर्स्ट चैप्टर ये सरीगला, फर्स्ट चैप्टर कंप्लीट हो गई।